back to my channel, Astrosphere with Soumya, and I'm very thrilled to tell you all that I have invited a very famous astrologer, Manisha, and we are going to have a very interactive session about the transit which is going to take place on 29th March of Saturn. So let's not waste our time and start this interactive session with astrologer Manisha. The first main question, so what is actually going to happen on 29th March?
Okay, that's nice question. That what will going to happen on 29th March? Actually, on 29th March at 10:07 p.m., Saturn will change its zodiac sign. It will enter to Pisces from Aquarius. Now, the Aquarius people, means whose moon sign is Aquarius, they will face the third phase of Shani's transit, means Shani to Saraswati.
And I have heard a lot about Saraswati. So can you just please brief me about the word Saraswati and like what does it actually mean?
Let me explain about Saraswati first. Saraswati means a period of a cycle of 7.5 years, in which this cycle has been divided into the three phases. First of all, the initial, then the peak, and the final stage. Now, the initial phase in which Saturn transits into a particular zodiac sign, and then after 2.5 years, it changes its zodiac sign from one to another, and then in last final stage, Saturn again changes its zodiac sign. So now what will going to happen on 29th March? Now at 10:07 p.m. Saturn will come to Pisces from Aquarius. So definitely Aquarius people will get some relief. But why we are saying that they will get some relief? Yes, because Saturn.
And ma'am, what is Saturn?
Exactly, Saturn. Like another planet, Saturn is also a planet. But why it is the most important planet? And why people fear about this planet? Because Saturn is the planet of our patience. Saturn is the planet of transformation. Saturn is the planet of karmic justice. They give of the results what we have done in the past years or what we have done in the past lives. So the Saturn gives us the result of our karma, and in this 7.5 years we feel what we have exactly done in our life. So it is just about our life's report card.
And ma'am, how is this Saraswati period going to affect people's life?
Actually, this 7.5 years time period is very difficult for each and everyone, because people feel a fear, people feel a great transformation in their physical health, in their mental state especially, you know, the relatives and the close ones and the friends they start quarreling, they start some fights, they can oppose you, and you can feel some negative things in your life. You can feel some negativity, you can feel insomnia, and you can feel other health issues also. So what exactly happens in this Saraswati? First of all, the initial period started, means the 2.5 years time period. So in this particular starting for time period, you will get some opportunities. You will get some new opportunities. And then suppose a person will join a new job or start a new business. Then in this time period, he or she will feel several new opportunities. And if their karmic is not good, then they will start facing some challenges in their life, and they start feeling shivering, they can start feeling anxiety, they can start feeling insomnia, they can start feeling down in their physical as well as in their mental state. And the worst thing starts whenever close ones, whenever relatives, whenever suppose a husband is starting some challenges, so his wife or the wife has been started into the first phase of Saraswati, so her husband, they also start doing a pose of that particular person. So it is the very difficult period for each and everyone. because they feel that no one is there to help us, no one is there to protect us, no one is there to become a backbone for us. So they just going into the phase of anxiety slowly. They don't know what to do in this period, who will help us in this period, and what we should do in this particular period. Now the peak stage will come. In this peak stage, different type of things may happen. If your karmas, if your karmic is not good, you can face some justice related problems, because Saturn is the planet of our karmic justice. You can face some problems related to law, you can face some problems related to judiciary, even a police case or something other may happen in this time period, or some defame in the family, defame in the workplace, defame at the workplace. It may also happen, because that is not related to Saturn, that is not related to the negativity of Saturn planet, but this is related to the negativity of our karmas, because we have done this in our past. You know, we have done a wrong to a particular person in our past period. So now the Saturn will give us result. The Saturn will give us anxiety about that past karma, because we know, our internal soul knows about that karma, but we are, in front of others, we can say that no, we have not done anything wrong, but our soul knows this, and our soul, our universe, our planets knows about this. So this happens in the peak period of Saraswati.
And like, what about the last stage of Saraswati?
Yes, of course. Now the final stage also comes, means the last 2.5 year of 7.5 year cycle of Saturn, or we can say the third phase Saraswati, or the Tritiya Charna of Saraswati. Now we get some relief, because Saturn is also a god, and God has mercy. So what we have exactly done in the last 5 years, what we have exactly faced in the last 5 years, they give results of that. And if we have faced that things very truly, we have faced the things very patiently, we have done nothing wrong to any person, we have done anything wrong in our life, then in the last phase, or in the final stage of 7.5 year cycle of Saturn transit, it gives us relief. It gives us time to face the challenges. It gives us it gives us strength to face the challenges, and finally we get recovered from these things and from these challenges also, and we get relief from the 7.5 years cycle period of Saturn. So finally, when 1 year remains, the person may feel relaxed, but the thing is, the person who was before 6.5 years is not the same exactly now. The person has been changed. The person has patience now. The person has faced lots of challenges, lots of struggle in the life, and he or she also faced that no one is there in this life or in this world who help us exactly except God. So that is the main thing, which is the teaching of Lord Saturn. The Saturn teaches us this. That's why God has planned the 7.5 year cycle of Saturn, so we can feel our challenges, our struggles, our problems, and we can test our relatives and close friends also in this particular 7.5 years of cycle. So nothing bad in this, because if we have done exactly good for each and everyone in our life, and we are patient, patient to face the challenges also, that's why we can face the 7.5-year cycle of Saturn also.